Here we are doing another Drypack leveling floor system in the GTA Toronto here in Whitby. This is a kitchen. So as you can see, the master, what he's doing is he's pulling the nice 12-foot aluminum straight edge. Okay. So what we've done here now is the guides on the right side. Okay. We do the guides on the left side, laser level. Okay, and at the back end there's another squeed of a guide going from end to end in the back. So all he's gonna do now next is basically fill it in, and we have a nice straight floor for tile installations. Okay, give us a call at 416-937-8115. We service the GTA Toronto, so we also do tiling. This is how we do all our tile installations, Drypack leveling. Okay, and then we go ahead and do our tile installations. So we have about 500 feet here. This is the entrance. Okay, and obviously once we get the hardwood in the other rooms, everything will be nice and flush and smooth transition. So we're going here into the laundry room, bathroom. There's a closet. Okay. So as you can see here where the vent is, we have about an inch. So the floor does go up and down and it varies. Over here at this section we have 3/8. So you know, we went at 3/8 there, but everywhere else we're adding more because the floor is all dipped, and so once we go laser, obviously we fill up. So here obviously we're into the laundry room, and you can see there's about 1.5 inches here. Okay, so there's room to go underneath the door, but then again we have a laser level floor. So we do have a lot of material. We're not shy with the material. We just got to get the job done straight. Okay, in order to lay our 4 feet by 2 feet tile, or 24 by 24, or 12 inch by 12 inch, whichever. This is old school, people. What this is concrete sand, not bricklaying sand. Coarser sand where it's a damp sand. And we mix a ratio 4, 5, 6 to 1. And this is how at the end the finish looks. So we use the square black finishing trowel there, which keeps everything flat. As you can see, how he's working it compared to the entrance where it's not totally finished. So it's an educational video. Give us a call at 416-937-8115. I'll just keep on recording, so you can see the proper way. The top leveling liquid kind of stuff is only it's only good for certain things, not for something major like this. Definitely not like this. He's filling out any depressions. Obviously we used our aluminum straightedges, you know, like 8-footers, 7-footers, and pull this all around and fill it in. And this gives me what I need here for tile installations. Okay. So this gives you an idea, you know, if you got a little room of 80 feet, 100 feet, you know, we follow the same procedure. We pull it, we take a squeeze, we laser level it, then we finish it off like this, ready for tile installation. You know, there's electrical heated cables under here. Definitely, we put the wires down first. If you look at our other videos on Prestige Tile Installers.ca, you will see, you know, a good bunch of videos, excuse me, of how the guys are doing the Drypack, how I end up showing you the proper way of installing tile. So you could definitely see the difference between cheating and doing it right. So this gives you a longevity of the Drypack and your tile, of course. So he's just sprinkling just a touch of water just to give it more bonding, a smoother finish, just in case some of the Drypack does get a little bit dry. So this definitely is a damp Drypack system. We use it in swimming pools, building lobbies, condos, all residential, you know. So it gives you an idea of who to pick and what application you need for any floor level in your house or commercial. This is definitely a no-brainer. It's the way to go. Again, you know, give us a call at 416-937-8115. I'm just gonna take a little cruise here. Do a walkabout. So this is I guess about 4 hour work as we're doing here. Okay, 4 hours of work. So now the fellow is gonna come by here with the finishing and get it ready for me for tomorrow. This takes 1, 2 days, 3 days to cure. Not a big deal. Some people like to take a week off, let it cure even more. It's typically your choice. All depends on the weather. If it's winter, summer, if you got heat going or not. So the discretion is up to you all. Okay. I'll leave you. Hopefully you'll join us on more of our videos and look forward to our tile installations on this project. You'll see the start and finish look of our installations, and you could be the judge on who you want to pick after you see this video. What you're going to see on the video is what you're going to get at your place. Okay. Nice sheet of glass, nice smooth floor, and straight. Take care.